नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 27 जून 2025 को होटल पार्क प्राइम में संपन्न किया गया। आइए देखते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल वन के साथ ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
A special announcement: all members and visitors are requested to get the receipts for payments made in cash or online.
All members of ABC East 1 and visitors. My name is Sangeeta Ganeriwala, and as treasurer, my role will be to collect 3 months meeting fees in advance, collecting meeting fees from visitors, maintain membership renewal records, and to keep the proper record and to manage the finance of the chapter.
Good evening, friends. Myself Satish Lakotia, I am the founder of the chapter, and my role is to guide for the smooth working of the chapter. Thank you. For joining this operation, our system of taking oath is you have to put your hand in this position. New members, put your hand in this position. You will impressed. You repeat after me. Being impressed by Alliance Business Connect leadership of this great organization, I will observe all the rules actively in all its activities at my best. I take pledge to put, I declare mandate duly installed. Thank you.
Good evening, Ladika State, ABC East 1.
Good evening.
Kermanacho.
Hello.
I am very glad to announce that we are launching Chapter 2.
Wow, beautiful.
That will be called ABC East 2.
Giving me the privilege of talking something. Basically, the launch of second chapter is on the backdrop of that we are having more than 2 people asking for being inducted into ABC.
And a warm welcome to our honorable visitors. Myself, Elysian Aditya Kasera. प्लम्बर कितना भी एक्सपर्ट क्यों ना हो, पर आंखों से टपकता पानी पर नहीं कर सकता। जीवन बीमा उनके लिए है जिन्हें आप पीछे घर छोड़कर आते हैं।
ABC हमारे पोदार कैटेगरी जनरल इंश्योरेंस। जनरल इंश्योरेंस की कोई भी पॉलिसी लेने के पहले आप उससे सेकंड ओपिनियन ले लीजिए।
Good evening, ABC. Meko. Good evening, ABC. Myself, Om Kamani. My company name is Kithamani Club. I am wellness coach.
Good evening, ABC. I'm Ananya Agarwala from Beyond Borders Travel Agency. I deal into all your requirements for air travel.
नजर से नजर को चाहने लगे हैं, नजर से नजरों पे निशाने लगे हैं। थोड़ी देर इन पलकों पे रखिए जरा। यहाँ ABC के सम्मानित मंच तक आते आते जमाने लगे हैं। गणपति डेकोर है, कैटेगरी फर्निशिंग एंड डेकोर है। ABC वालों, गब्बर का बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट है।
जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा में भगवान अपने भक्त के पास आते हैं, वैसे ही मैं आपके पास आया हूँ एक फाइनेंशियल रथ यात्रा लेकर। आया हूँ आपके घर का सपना या बच्चों की एजुकेशन या लेनी हो नई कार। मैं हूँ आशीष सागर, आपका सारथी इन रथ यात्रा ऑपरेशन थ्रू म्यूचुअल फंड।
गुड इवनिंग ABC। जय जगन्नाथ। आशीष शास्त्री। मैं जो काम करता हूँ आपको सबको मालूम है। डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ, 3 चीज चाहिए होता है। आपका जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, चाहे बिजनेस, फाइनेंस, एजुकेशन,
कुछ भी हो तो मैरिज लाइफ, कुंडली एनालिसिस सब कुछ हम करते हैं।
High warning alert ABC. Hiding us may cause extreme happiness, full bellies, and guests asking for second and third servings. We, Vinny Satyam Catering, master of life, food counter, and continental deliciousness.
Good evening, ABC. Good evening, ABC.
Good evening.
Myself, Brisbane Mundra from Sagun Corporate Consultant Private Limited. I am into loan syndication strategy for last 25 years.
ABC. Recent Air India flight crash near Ahmedabad was devastating reminder how fragile travel can be. Over 260 lives lost. Fully committed to helping clients not just to plan travel, but to travel with trust. We will be proactively assisting everyone with current or upcoming travel.
Everyone, my name is Virendra Jalan. I'm representing my company Vaishnavi Works, and I'm with Packaging Solutions.
ABC. This is Abhishek Baglia from the desk of Kiran Transport Private Limited, inception since 1971.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jagdeep Shah. My company name is Deep Consultancy. I am the consultant of the KMC work.
So I am your go-to graphic designer. आप अपने फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट हैं. उस एक्सपर्टीज को कैसे आप दूसरों तक दर्शा सकते हैं in terms of designing where you can't physically be present to advertise your brand. उस चीज में मैं आती हूँ, काम आती हूँ उसमें.
Good evening. My name is Kamal Ketal from Kamal & Company. We deal in all kinds of timber, plywood and laminates for furniture and interior industries.
ABC. My name is Kanchan Sarda. We deal in office stationeries, that is printer cartridges and printer repairing services.
Good evening, ABC East 1 members, and a warm welcome to our visitors. This is Manish Chamadia, working as MP registered mutual fund distributor under name and banner MH Services.
Manisha Purvalia, a founder of IU Satyava, a passionate cloud kitchen based in Rishpa, Kolkata.
ABC.
Good evening.
Myself Nayan Mukherjee, stockbroking partner of your chapter. I am with Anand Rathi Share and Stockbroking.
Good evening, ABC. Myself Polas Mondal. ABC means सबका साथ सबका विकास. मैं विजुअल आर्टिस्ट हूँ और उसके साथ मैं थीम मेकर हूँ.
For a beauty that shines, a radiant grace, a look that enhances. Call me and book me. Yes, this is Poonam Mundra, makeup artist. I'm available for all your engagement, roka, parties, functions, anniversary, bridals and all. Thank you.
I'm Purraj from the Eco-Urban. Our brand focused on sustainable, eco-friendly office stationery items.
Myself, Rahul Chandpadi, businessman, Rahul Export. We are manufacturer and exporter of various kind of scarves, fabrics and garments.
Hello to all the members. This is Dr. Rahul Gupta from Spinodontic Multi-Speciality Clinic.
Good evening, ABC East 1. I am Sonia Paul in behalf of Rajalpur, representing Insatic Automation in the category of advanced automation.
Myself Rakesh Jaiswal, fulfilling the dreams of people who want to stay on the bank of River Hooghly, not far from city. Homestay resort for short stay, villa cottage for lifetime money and stay.
Good evening, friends. I am Rakesh Misra, your life insurance advisor. Bring with me 29 years of experience in insurance industry.
And we need renovation of flat or a new flat. Please connect to me for any needs. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC.
Good evening.
Thank you. This is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholinath Textile in the field of customized t-shirts manufacturing.
Rajiv Sikri, Vastu Function Neurologist Consultant, who have given talks on TV apart from delivering lectures on my subject. I have been in this field from the last 20 plus years. I have Fungshi Towers on HSC Bose Road. I do write articles for the Indian largest property portal, 99acres.com, and also for some reputed magazines and advices renowned personalities from Bollywood, fashion world and industry.
Tour at Ola, dear ABC friends and visitors. I, Samaira Gandhi, arts and language instructor from Art Studio, a specialty art school in paintings, calligraphy, French and Spanish.
Myself Sandeep Yajwania, representing my company Champion Yatar. We are in service industry, providing all segments of cabs and coaches all over India.
Dish Bagre into direct equities. Today I would like to dedicate my 30 seconds to my mentor and my guru, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala.
ऐसा कोई बिजनेसमैन है जिसके पास एम्प्लॉय नहीं है, सबका पास एम्प्लॉय है और एम्प्लॉय मिल जाता है. और एम्प्लॉय निकालने में हम लोग बहुत माहिर हैं और वो निकाल भी ज़्यादा करते हैं। पूरा पड़े आपका अपना एजेंट चलाता है। जय राणा जय भारत।
আজকে সমস্ত এবিসি মেম্বারকে শুভ রথযাত্রা। আমার কোম্পানির নাম তুলসী বেডস প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড। আমার স্পেশালি যে কাজটা আছে, আমরা যে বাড়িতে বাস করি, যে অফিসে বসি, যে ফ্ল্যাটে থাকি, সেই অফিসে তুলসী বেডস से साजिए तो
नाम सुनील अग्रवाल है। मेरी कंपनी का नाम निष्ठा फूड प्रोडक्ट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है। मेरी कंपनी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी गोविंद राइस का निर्माण करती है।
जैसे रथ यात्रा लोग चाहिए होते हैं रथ को फूल करने के लिए, वैसे ही मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमारे एबीसी चैप्टर में हम सब एक दूसरे को रेफर दें एंड मूव दिस चैप्टर एज अ रथ यात्रा की चैरियट की तरह। I am Uttam Todi, representing GD Enterprises in real estate area. Apart from working in Pan India and Dubai, today I have one more feather in my cap.
This area from BSMB and Associates, practicing chartered accountant, covering this field of income tax, GST, income tax litigations.
Representing my company, Danvers and Sons, category into rhodium polish.
ABC members, do you know every public limited company and a private limited company, except small private limited companies, have to mandatorily dematerialize their shares. If not dematerialized, they cannot transfer, they are not transferable, and they can't issue or allot further shares. But to the company, McKinsey company secretary, so we did at Kota बोला था।
बहुत मेहनत से पैसे कमाता है और वही पैसा अगर भारत के किसी रेपुटेड प्राइवेट नेशनल ब्रांड में अगर अटक जाए या डूब जाए तो बहुत तकलीफ होती है। गुड इवनिंग मेंबर्स। गुड इवनिंग। मैं विवेक गेम खेलता हूँ। अगर आप भी किसी ऐसी परेशानी से गुजर रहे हैं तो मेरे से संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
Ruby Raja, and my brand is Happy Sins, which means eat sinfully but stay happy.
and I deal in bed linen. A bedsheet may seem like a small thing, but it holds great value. It offers comfort after long days' work, whether at home or in a hospital or a hotel.
Radical Estate ABC. This is Sumit Sabu representing my 15-year-old real estate company Sabu Realtors, and my USP is that we deal in all types of residential, commercial and industrial properties.
This is Atish Makharia from Cars, a one-stop solution for any car problem, either it's Maruti or Mercedes. Thanking you, signing off Atish Makharia.
Good evening friends, myself Satish Rakotia from Larika Estate Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing.
My company's name is Nigel Finserv in the category of investment consultancy. So हम लोग zero risk in the basic product like FD से start करते हैं, इसमें 9.1% return lock करवाते हैं।
Greeting ABC, referred by Billy Wade. So myself Jyoti Singh, I run digital marketing agency. So our responsibility is to make any offline business to online.
Angela Paul, I am the relationship manager of Balaji Nivesh. At Balaji Nivesh, we are among the leading mutual fund distributors in Kolkata.
Hello ABC East 1. I am Bimal Agarwal, age 51, MBA by degree, live in Salt Lake, married with 2 kids. We Duroplast into customized office furniture manufacturing.
I am into the business of logistics, supply chain and warehousing in and around Kolkata and district. So if you have any transportation requirement or any type of warehousing requirement, you can contact with me.
Myself Deepak Mohta, my company's name is Ramesh Mohta and Associates and we are chartered accountants.
Homemaker, my brand name is Creamy Creation by Yogita. I'm happy to see all new faces here. Thank you so much.
Invite me once again on this platform. Myself Anirudh Agarwal, representing my firm Excel Deepon Private Limited. All types and varieties of tiles, marbles, sanitary fittings and granite.
Sumit Sabu. I'm Tarishi Dhawan. I am representing my company Viewpoint Electrolytes Private Limited. We are almost completing 50 years next year, and we are into air conditioners, sales and service.
I'm Ankush Shamima Khatun from Kolkata. I've been in my practice from past 22 years. Basically, I'm a criminal lawyer. Is audible
for inviting me. And my name is Indrani Priya Mohta, a professional immunologist, passionate about guiding individual and organization using the powerful science of numbers.
My work focuses on helping people find clarity, balance, and success.
This is Advocate Priyanka Agarwal from Legal Support, your go-to legal partner for all things related to civil matters, property dispute, rent recovery, and succession planning.
Good evening, ABC. My name is Jitendra Kumar Jha, representing my company Jha Infotech in the category of CCTV solution. उत्तम जी जिन्होंने मुझे इन्वाइट किया है और बोलने आए हैं और जैसे भगवान जगन
ABC, myself Sriti Mantri, representing Bake Parfait by Sriti Mantri into the category of cakes and bakes. I am a certified and awarded cake designer and working for more than 18 plus years into this category.
Good evening. I am the co-founder of Alliance Clubs International. I am very happy to see the president of ABC. And very happy to see all the ladies working in the different field So, and men are of course working and they are introducing themselves. And this is the way you develop your business and confidence. Thank you very much. I got opportunity to come today because she is with us, Nidhi Prakash, and she is giving diet to Satish Lakhotia ji, and to honor her, I came today.
And I would like to thank Satish ji, founder of ABC Club, and President Mr. Atish ji, and Urvi Raja, Secretary and Vice President, and all the members and the visitors who are present here. Practicing here in Kolkata for the last 10 years. Before that, I was in Delhi and I was working at Apollo Hospital and Rockland Hospital as a bariatric counselor and diabetes educator. And my expertise is in weight loss diet, weight gain diet, and diabetic diet, and cardiovascular diet. Thank you, everyone.